What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making cannabis infused cupcakes, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the cupcake mix in a bowl. Now I'm going to add the 3 eggs. Next, I'm going to add the Cannabutter. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. And then we're going to add the 1/3 cup of water. So now I'm just going to blend it together. One tablespoon of CannaSugar is optional. Alright, so now I'm just going to pour the cupcake mix into the cupcake liner. Alright, now it's time to put this in the oven. So let's get into it. Look pretty good overall. Alright, my cupcakes is now done. So you can either keep it the way it is or you can decorate it. I'm going to decorate a few of them and then I'm going to leave some the way it is so you can see the difference in the cupcakes. So let's get into it. Alright, so I just finished decorating my cupcakes. I didn't want to decorate all of them. I kind of wanted you guys to see the difference between some of the cupcakes that was decorated and then the ones without it. So I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add the sprinkles to give it just some more designs. That way you guys can see how it looks with the sprinkles on it. So let's get into it real quick. Alright, this is how it's going to look once you add the sprinkles on it. I'm actually done now, guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out of here.